Drape your cap over your chair and center it. After that, you're going to want to grab both ends and create 2 separate strands. Tie these strands into 2 knots. Adjust your cap as needed throughout this process. For an easier breakdown, we recommend leaving a loop in your second knot. Once you're finished, pull the ends through the back of the cap for a neater look. Now it's time for the sash. Use the elastic connected to the ruffles to attach the sash to the cap. Finally, fluff out your sash and adjust your cap to your liking. It's that simple and easy.